Oh, okay, that's what art collection. Oh, look at all the crafts. Macaroni. Puzzles.
Now we can carry it around.
Coffee filters. Spoons. Straws. You gonna make some coffee?
Well, you see, follow me. Glue gun.
Hot glue guns.
Yeah.
What are you gonna make?
I'm flour.
You gonna make a flower?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know how to use one of those? There it comes. I think you gotta put hot glue in it.
Oh
Steve.
yeah, I think we have to put a stick.
Yep, put the stick in there. Perfect.
We're not going in. Oh, there's a stick in
Here. Dead. Here. Alright, try that.
We have to use that one.
What you got, Ellie?
Okay, we can move on. Let's do this.
Yeah, just do that one. No, leave it in there. Put it back in there. There you go. There you go. Now it's spinning out.
Look at it. Not touch it.
It's hot. Alright, what are you going to glue together?
I'm going to glue this one on top of that one. And let's get started. Ooh, look at the hot glue. Oh, let me tell you what we're at. We're at the Kids Museum.
Muse?
I mean Muse, not the Kids Museum. Have you ever went to the giant polar bear one? That one's awesome. I'm not allowed to use a glue gun.
Okay, it's enough glue, sweetie.
Okay, ready?
Way too much glue.
Ah, it's not going on. Okay.
It's hot.
Ooh, okay. I think that's all we can do.
And flour?
Yeah, and there we go. Oh, you want to go make something with paper? Let's go. Ah, okay, follow me.
Oh, Emma, what are you making, bud?
I'm making a bottle with tape on it.
A little bottle with tape on it?
Mhm.